What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Mark's Appliance, and this is the GE Profile UltraFast Combo unit. Now, we're very excited to one, see this product, but also do a review on it for you guys, just to show you kind of how it works. There's a lot of obvious benefits with having a washer and dryer combo machine. It saves space. You don't have to transfer your load. It washes and dries in one. But this unit in particular, the GE UltraFast Combo unit, has a lot of great features, and in the way it works, it really looks like it could be a pioneer piece in the world of laundry. So I got a load of laundry that I need to do. I'm gonna be doing it in this machine. I'm gonna go through step by step, the features of this machine, what makes this machine a great product for you, and also answer some questions that you as a customer might have if you're considering this piece for your home. So let's get to it. So the first washer and dryer combo unit was introduced by Bendix Home Appliances back in 1953, but if you're like me, I wasn't really aware that a combo unit existed before I got into the appliance industry, because they're not really that common in America. They're a lot more common in Europe, where there's not as much space in your home. So obviously this is a space saver. Obviously it allows you to, you don't have to transfer your load. It does two jobs in one. But what makes this unit a little more different than past combo units is a lot of different things. But let's start with the power supply. So this is powered up by just a 110 volt outlet. Doesn't require, a traditional dryer would require a 240 volt, 220. This is just 110 standard outlet. Doesn't require any ductwork either. Just has a heat pump, so you have no dryer ducting, just a standard outlet. Very flexible, very convenient for wherever you want to put this product in your home. So one of the biggest benefits that you'll notice right off the bat of this GE Profile UltraFast Combo unit is the 4.8 cubic foot wash barrel. So that's right in line from what you'd find in a mid to high end front load washer on the market. It's a very big wash barrel. You can feel confident that you don't have to switch up your laundry patterns or decrease your load sizes if you're switching to this UltraFast Combo unit. For me, this is 4 days worth of laundry. I washed a king size comforter in it last night, and it came out of the dryer real clean and very dry too. Big wash drum, big benefit there for you. So another benefit that you'll see in this machine that you'll find on other GE front load washers on the market is the SmartDispense for the detergent, and also the antimicrobial microban that covers that gasket in there to help destroy the bacteria in the wash drum. But what they did add on here is, if you use fabric softener, a SmartDispense for the fabric softener as well. Now you can, if you just want to do single dosage, you can toggle that on and off. And it also depends on the concentrate level of the detergent that you're using. So we use Excelsior laundry detergent here. I got another great video on that product if you want to check it out. But that's a high concentrate detergent. It's 6 times concentrate. So I want to go over here and choose the less detergent option, so it doesn't use quite as much detergent, because it only takes a little bit to get your clothes clean. Now you obviously, if you have a low concentrate like a Tide or a Gain, you might want to use more, or there is an auto feature on here as well for that. So yeah, it's all about kind of automating that laundry process for you with this machine. So now let's talk about some cycle options that this GE UltraFast Combo unit offers. So it's got over 10 wash cycle options. There's a couple that I want to point out. It does have a quick wash cycle that you can do a wash and dry in just over an hour. It estimates at 107. The estimations are very accurate. My king size comforter, my sheets actually, it estimated over 3 hours for a wash and dry. It actually finished at just under 3 hours, so it was like 2:55. What I washed this one at was the EcoCool cycle. So what that is a cold water wash and then a high efficiency dry. So with this heat pump, with the way this thing dries, it's 50% more energy efficient than a regular dryer, regular electric dryer, according to the Energy Star standards. This EcoCool is just a high efficiency cycle, so to speak. There is a sanitized cycle as well. You'll find that on a lot of front load washers nowadays. There is a pre-wash setting here that you can toggle on and off. So if you have something that's pretty heavily soiled, that would be a good option for you to use on there as well. You can also toggle this wrinkle care setting for the dry feature, and it also gives you a nice alarm when your wash cycle is complete and the dry cycle starts. So this unit isn't drying yet, but I do want to talk about some of the key features the GE UltraFast Combo unit has in the drying process. It is powered by a heat pump, so it is very energy efficient. It's 50% more efficient than a standard electric dryer according to the Energy Star requirements. And it does have, which is really nice, this easy to use, easy to reach lint filter system. So all you have to do is push this tab down here, pull out this lint filter that cleans the, obviously just like a normal dryer lint filter. And it also has a foam filter here as well on the other side. Now when you look in here, you're gonna see coils from the evaporator, and you might want to just put a vacuum in here and just clean that area out like every couple weeks, every month or so, but you do want to be careful of those coils over there. So yes, it is powered by a heat pump, and what that's going to do is be very energy efficient. It's going to be very quiet, and it's not going to blow hot air back into the room wherever you place this thing. However, it will get pretty hot in the back of the machine, so you might want to just be careful about what you place on the back of the machine, because it gets to about, I would think, about 110, 120 in the back of the machine. But it's going to work very well because of that heat pump, and that is what makes this thing great in the drying process. So another really cool feature with this GE UltraFast Combo unit is your ability to choose a wash or a dry. So obviously this can do two jobs in one, but if you have something that you just want to dry, you can toggle the wash cycle off and just dry in it. So you can use it as 2-in-1, or you can use it as separate pieces. If you just want to wash something and hang dry it, or you have something that's super wet, or you don't think some got dry enough, you can throw it back in the dryer and just run that drying cycle. So those are some also flexible options to have as well. So like everything in today's world, this GE UltraFast Combo unit is Wi-Fi enabled, and there's a lot of appliances out there. You probably have some in your home that are Wi-Fi enabled as well. And you might be asking yourself, I don't need to set this up to Wi-Fi. Why do I need to set this up to Wi-Fi? Well, you will get notified when this is done, and maybe help you, do laundry quicker if you're like, oh wow, this is finished. But the most important part is that the manufacturer is actually going to send updates to the system in this machine if it is hooked up to Wi-Fi. And that's true for all your appliances. If you have smart appliances in your home, definitely hook them up to Wi-Fi. There are some features in here that you will not be able to use if it's not hooked up to Wi-Fi. For example, this more water feature, it's going to require you to get the Smart HQ app and to hook it up to your Wi-Fi at home for you to use the more water feature and some other features on here. So like this downloaded cycle feature as well. So you can download cycles to your phone and download them to here as well. So, but the biggest thing, hook it up to Wi-Fi. That way when the manufacturer comes out with updates, it can send them to this machine, and it can also help you diagnose some issues if you have any as well. So that's about it for the features and the benefits for this GE UltraFast Combo unit. We talked about the massive 4.8 cubic foot wash barrel that you can fit a ton of stuff in, including a king size comforter. I did one last night with some king size sheets and it came out great. We talked about the many different cycle options that this machine offers. The EcoCool cold water wash with a high efficiency dry. The Sanitize kills 99% of bacteria in this machine. And the quick dry, or quick cycle, where it does a wash and dry in just over an hour. This machine's gonna average out at about, you know, a little over 2 hours a cycle, just depending on your soil settings. So that falls right in line about the time frame that you'd find in a separate washer and dryer on the market today. So you're not really losing time with this combo unit. Like I said, because of that heat pump, you're gonna get a very efficient dry, and it's gonna have a lot of power in there to get your clothes dry in a timely fashion. For the other parts of the wash cycle, we talked about the SmartDispense for the detergent, as well as the fabric softener. For the drying process, like we said, we talked about the heat pump being very efficient, being very quiet, not blowing hot air back into the room. We talked about the easy to reach and easy to clean lint filter system, as well as the foam filter system. Very easy to keep this machine maintained and cleaned. Personally, the biggest benefit that I see for myself, if I was to have this in my home, would be the no load transfer for the combo unit, because occasionally I like to keep my clothes in the washer overnight. I do forget. It's mostly me forgetting to put my clothes in the dryer. But it's not good to have your clothes just sitting wet, obviously. So you wouldn't have to worry about that with this machine. That'd be the biggest benefit for me. You could do 2 of these side by side, which is very interesting. So you could do 2 loads at the same time. It's going to be very interesting to see how this machine works, and I'm excited to see our customers' feedback with this. Like I said, it's very new. We've only had this in the store for 2 weeks. If you're watching this video and you have this unit, definitely feel free to comment as to how you're liking it so far. What are some questions that you have with it? And if you're looking to purchase this machine, let me know if you have any questions that I could help answer for you. There's a lot of great benefits to having this product in your home, and I tried hard to cover most of them. But if I missed anything, let me know. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned as we try to review some other great products in the world of appliances as they come out. Thank you guys, and happy washing and drying.